guys, welcome back to Ignited Garage. Now, I know I didn't post on Tuesday, I'm sorry, but I had technical issues. My hard drive that had the video that I was going to post bit the dust. Now, I'm going to post tomorrow. Well, it's today for you guys because I'm doing this the day before, and it's Friday for you guys. It's going to be a recap of 2017 drifting. There was a few days, then I made it to the drift events. I will talk to you guys after. There you go. So that was 2017. It was a little drifting. I didn't drift a whole lot last year because where my car was and where I was living was like 4.5, 5 hours away from each other. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you guys like drifting, drag racing, or car shows, or anything to do with cars, hit the subscribe button. We've got a car show coming up in March, so I don't want to take you guys on, and drifting in April, because we got the schedule up, so there's drifting in April. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Happy New Year's, guys, and I'll see you later.